Buddy, you're washed.
Hold on, just stay here for 1 second.
No. Don't listen to the blondie.
Oh, that's warm. That is nice.
I'm so cold.
Put a sweater on. You had a sweater.
Are you high?
No.
You look
I was
high.
duck hunting this morning.
Okay. Your eyes look red.
I know.
That's why I asked.
I was driving here. I looked in the mirror and I was like, dude, am I gonna pull this?
Yeah, that room's still there. I hate this base because you get spawn camped. They need to fix this before the tournament.
Ow, that really hurt.
Hi, John Austin! Hi, John Austin! Hi! No! Oh! Oh, dang it. You've gotten better. Hi, John Austin. Hi, John Austin. There's like 30 seconds. I'm not going back. Oh my gosh. What? How? How? Hi, John Austin. Hi, John Austin. Oh, you almost had it. Hey, bud. Oh. How did I go? What? What? Ah, John Austin. Hey, by the way, I'm sorry I scared you.
Oh, no, it's okay.
Wow, it's my balls. You're like you're working. After those 10 minutes, we're bringing it outside.
You can see straight through to their base.
Whoa! Go now! Go now! Go now! Go now! Oh my gosh! Oh. I quit laser tag after that. Rory, is my vest on? No. It's not? Yeah. It is? Okay.
Am I?
Wrong team, buddy. Okay, I'm on. Okay, it says I'm on. Okay, I got 3 of y'all. Yo, easy, it's sniper, one shot, one shot. I know, chill. They're all coming this way. You're done, Reese? Yes!
Hey, good job.
Good, hell yeah. Bye-bye. Oh! Bro's hip firing! Bro has the hip firing boost. That's game. Hell yeah.
Dude, some kid just sprinted at me with full auto.
We're gonna place it in the arena, and it's gonna stay where I put it. Don't pick it up, don't destroy it, don't bring it back to your base.
So pick it up. Pick it up?
No.
Oh. My
You
bad.
didn't shoot top.
I was just kidding. I'm messing with her. Alright, just do it now. Just do it now. You Luke, you good? Are you good? Yeah, I bet that hurt.
All the huzzes just left me like two freaking Michelangelo.
All the what?
The huzzes. Bro, there was a bunch of golden gym. Is that on? Is that on?
Well, that's going in the 2026 moments video.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Yes, it will.
Ew, give me off camera.
Yeah. Are you staying or playing?
Staying or playing? No, I am neither. No.
Huh? We are? How?
All right, I know where you're going.
How much
You
is
know
your
where I'm
friend
going.
weigh?
Actually, do you?
I don't know how much he weighs. He's not my friend. He's a little.
Go, Fruity.
Thank you. Whoa. How did y'all get there that quick? I'm playing lefty.
I bet.
I don't know if I can do this, but I'm playing it. I don't know how well it's gonna work. How does Sam do this? How does Sam do this?
I'll play lefty too, why not?
This is very awkward. Haha, I stole that.
Enemy spotted.
He's a child. Stop killing children.
Did you see what I did? Because I was like, it's time to just start jump shotting.
Nom nom pizza, me.
We got told there were 2 slices of pizza and that we could have them.
I got 2.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, it's cold.
I don't care. It's still pretty good.